Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Discord account banned 2026. If your Discord account is banned in 2026, the fix depends on whether the ban is platform-wide or limited to a specific server. So the first thing what you can do is appeal a platform-wide ban. If Discord has disabled your account, you must go through their trust and safety appeal process. Now the second what you can do is fix a server level ban. If you can still log into Discord but cannot access one specific community, you have been banned from that server. Now the third is resolve an IP ban. If your entire network is blocked, you need to change your public IP. Now the fourth is technical troubleshooting. Discord's 2026 security updates use advanced fingerprinting. If you are still blocked after an IP change, you have to clear your app cache. On your Android phone and on your iOS, you must uninstall and reinstall the app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.